Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Kaisar Khalid Mahmood. I'm going to teach you the course of electronic media and virtual community. First of all, let's see the objective of this course. As you all know that electronic media is is the modern day reality. In this course, we are going to analyze the role of electronic media in modern day society, and we also try to understand basic concepts relevant to the virtual communities. We also make an attempt to analyze the significance of virtual communities in today's world. In 21st century, we cannot imagine the world without media and internet. Information communication technologies are now the reality of 21st century, and we heavily rely on these mediums to make communication with others. They are also the sources of the information. We now most of the time get information through the internet. Electronic media and internet are now the sources of the social change. They are bringing social change in the societies in different ways. We will see that how electronic media and internet bringing social change in later topics. Now, internet is also the subject of human right as well. You may all know that the concept of digital divide. The people who have access to the technologies and people who don't have access to the internet. Now, if you do not have access to the internet, it is considered as those societies who do not have access to the internet, they are considered as marginalized societies or underprivileged societies. Internet access to the internet is now a basic human right, is now becoming a basic human right. First of all, let's see the definition of mass media. Mass in simple means many, and in technical terms, when we say mass, it means that a large number of people. Media is the plural of medium, and medium means that anything that carries a message. It is referred as a medium. Mass media consist of the various means by which information reaches large number of people. हम mass media उस तमाम मीन्स को कहते हैं जो कि आप तक इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों तक इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचाते हैं. Mass media are actually the technological instruments through which mass communication take place. Mass communication is the industrialized production and multiple distribution of messages through technological devices. Now we will see the elements of the communication. Either it is a personal communication, interpersonal communication, or mass communication. Before getting into the debate of the mass communication, we have to understand what is the difference between interpersonal communication, interpersonal communication, and mass communication. And we have to see that what are the basic elements of the communication. The first element of the communication is the message. Messages are actually collection of symbols that appear purposely organized in a meaningful manner to those sending or receiving them. जब हम मैसेज की बात करते हैं तो हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि मैसेज किसी की तरफ एक मैसेज भेजने वाला होता है और एक मैसेज मौसूल करने वाला होता है. और ये मैसेज कैसे भेजा जाता है? इट इज़ बीइंग सेंट थ्रू द सोर्स. Source is actually the originator of the message which may be a person, several people or an organization. जब हम सोच की बात करते हैं तो ये एक फर्द वाहिद भी हो सकता है, ये बहुत सारे लोग भी हो सकते हैं, और ये एक इदारा भी हो सकता है जो दूसरों तक पैगाम रसानी करता है. Encoding, the process by which the source translates the thoughts and ideas so that they can be perceived by the human senses, primarily sight and sound, but may also include smell, taste, and touch. Transmitter performs the physical activity of distributing the message. Transmitter is actually a technological device that performs the activity of distribution of the message. Medium is actually part of a technical system that helps in the transmission, distribution, or reception of message. Channel, the pathways through which the transmitter send all features of the message, whether they involve sight, sound, smell, or touch. Decoding is the process by which the receiver translates the source's thoughts and ideas so that they have meaning. Receiver, the person or organization that gets the message. At one side there is a source, and on the other side there is the receiver. Receiver एक शख्स भी हो सकता है, एक अदारा भी हो सकता है जो कि मैसेज के पैगाम है जो वो शख्स पैगाम मसूल करता है. फीडबैक, when the receiver responds to the message with what the sender perceived as a message. Feedback is actually a process in which the receiver responds to the message that he is getting the message and he is understanding the message. So now we have to understand the difference between interpersonal communication, mediated interpersonal communication, and mass communication. We have already discussed the elements of the communication. The first element of the communication is the message. In interpersonal communication, we use all the senses to send the message. It may be through the language we communicate with each other so that we could to send our message to other. We can use a particular symbolic gesture to convey our message. For example, if I am in a local Pakistani culture using a particular symbol like this, what does it mean? And if in a American society culture, if I am using this, what does it mean? It conveys different kind of messages. In American or in a Western society culture, when we use this symbol, it conveys the message that thumbs up, that you have done a great job. But in our indigenous culture or in our local culture, when we use this symbol, it conveys a different kind of message which is totally different from the thumbs up. When we talk about the mediated interpersonal communication, so in mediated interpersonal communication, message is most of the time is verbal or a visual. When we are communicating with a small or a medium level group, we use verbal language to convey our message, or we use a kind of a presentation. We can use a kind of a video clip to convey our message. And in mass communication, we also communicate the message through verbal or audio or visual way. Source. What is the source in interpersonal communication? In interpersonal communication, source is an individual. जब हम 2-3 लोग बैठकर कोई कम्युनिकेट करते हैं तो एक फ़र्द ही दूसरे फ़र्द को बात बताता है या अपना पैगाम पहुंचाता है. एंड इन मीडिएटेड इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन द सोर्स इज आल्सो एन इंडिविजुअल, बट in mass communication it may be a one or more organization. For example, at the moment I am interacting with you through a particular source. This is in an organization that are communicating my lectures to the you. Encoding, interpersonal communication. The process of encoding takes place by the individual's brain. And in mediated interpersonal communication, it may be a individual's brain and the technology. And in mass communication, it will be an organization and technology that performs the function of the encoding. Channel. In interpersonal communication, the channel is the ear, and in the mediated interpersonal communication, the channel is the ear and technology, and in mass communication, the channel is ear and technology. A receiver. In interpersonal communication, the receiver of the message is an individual. It may be a few individuals in the same location, but in mediated interpersonal communication, it may be a few or many individuals in the same location. But when we talk about the mass communication, receivers may be on the different locations and they are in a large number of people. Decoding. The process of decoding takes place in interpersonal communication by an individual's brain, and in mediated personal communication, this function is primarily performed by the technology as well as the individual's brain. And in mass communication as well, the decoding, the process of decoding is performed by the technology and individual's brain. Feedback. In interpersonal communication, फीडबैक इज द इमीडिएट एंड डायरेक्ट. जब दो शख्स आपस में बात करते हैं तो आपको फीडबैक उसी वक्त मिल जाता है और बिल्कुल सामने से मिलता है. एंड इन मीडिएटेड इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन इट मे बी इमीडिएट और डिलेड एंड जनरली डायरेक्ट. इन मीडिएटेड इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन ये भी हो सकता है कि आपको आपके मैसेज का फीडबैक उसी वक्त मिल जाए या थोड़ी देर बाद मिल जाए. और इन मैस कम्युनिकेशन बोथ काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन आर पॉसिबल. इट मे बी इमीडिएट और डिलेड. एंड नॉइज. In interpersonal communication, noise is the environmental, mechanic, and semantic. And in mediated interpersonal communication, it may be environmental, mechanical, and semantic, with environmental sometimes caused by the organization. And in mass communication, the same as in the interpersonal communication. Thank you.